Good morning guys from San Jose. I'm super excited to be starting this week's vlog. You guys know I'm in San Jose, California visiting Katie. She has an internship down here, so yeah, I just wanted to visit her because I missed her. We've been having a lot of fun together. If you guys haven't seen the last video, we filmed all the different things that we've been doing. We went to Santana Row, went to a beautiful viewpoint and took a bunch of photos. We filmed a bunch of different activities and stuff that we did in the last vlog, so be sure to check that one out. But today I'm having a little bit more of a productive day. Katie's at work right now at her internship, and I'm about to go to work because I have a bunch of different video stuff to do. I really need to edit, and although I'm on vacation, this is also like a great time for me to get stuff done. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along for my last like 3 days in San Jose. More like productive things, but we also have a bunch of fun things planned and want to go to some cool places. I also just want to give a huge shout out to iBuyDirect for sponsoring today's video. They're a one-stop shop for all your eyewear needs, and they have prescription glasses, sunglasses, and blue light glasses, which you guys know I'm a huge fan of, especially when I'm editing or spending a long time staring at my computer screen. iBuyDirect has really affordable yet stylish glasses, and they offer more than 1,000 different frames to choose from. I was going through their website and had a blast shopping on there, and they also offer a 2-week style and fit program where you can actually try on the glasses at home and make sure you like the way they look before deciding to keep them. Yeah, I want to show you guys the ones I got. I got 4 glasses a couple days ago, and no joke, I'm in love with all 4 of them. They fit me so well, so I want to try them on for you. Let's see, can you see that? So the first pair I got is the Sun Active frames, and these are so cool. They have like an octagon shape to them. I also got the black gradient lenses in these, so they kind of fade from dark black all the way down to a lighter color. And I just like am so impressed because these fit my head so well, and sometimes it's really hard to find glasses that fit. So that's the first pair. I love these. Then I got a pair of blue light glasses. These are in the Prism frames, and they're clear transparent, but they're blue light. These are so cute. When I tried these on, I was literally like, I think I need to actually get glasses for myself because they're so cute. Then I got another pair of sunglasses. These are the Village frames, and they have rose gold lenses in them. These are so cool. I literally love them so much. I am a huge fan of wearing sunglasses and protecting your eyes. These have been so great. I've been wearing them all the time. And then the last pair that I got is also another pair of blue light ones. These are the pink The Beat frames, and they're also blue light glasses. These are so cute. I just love the way they fit, and they don't look too big or too small on my face, which I think is really nice, and they're also really comfortable. So anyway, I'm about to head to Phil's Coffee. If you guys want to check out iBuyDirect and find some glasses for yourself, be sure to check out the description box down below. I'm gonna have a 20% discount code, which I'm also gonna put on the screen here. And yeah, you guys can also shop the lenses that I showed in today's videos. It'll all be down below. Now I just need to pack up my computer and my charger because I'm planning on staying there for a long time. I need to get stuff done. So I have my charger, laptop, and I'm gonna bring my blue light glasses. All right, we're set. Starting route to Phil's Coffee. Working at Phil's for a while, and I got a lot of stuff done. I edited an entire video, and I was trying to upload it, but the Wi-Fi got too slow, so now I need to go to Starbucks to see if I can get faster Wi-Fi. It was really productive, and I was doing a bunch of other stuff as well. I'm gonna go try to get faster Wi-Fi, and then Katie's gonna be home in an hour and a half. This is really working out. I'm gonna start editing my next vid, and that's the update. Okay, so that worked wonderfully. I got my video up in no time. It went from literally taking 3 hours to less than 20 minutes. Got that done, and then I imported all the footage for my next video that I'm gonna edit, did some other little stuff that I needed to get done. Something really exciting happened in the last hour and a half, and I wish I could tell you guys, but it's gonna be in a video. Katie just got off work, and I'm gonna go meet her at home. I think we're gonna go take pictures tonight, and then we also wanna cook dinner, hang out with some friends. Guys, look who's home. Katie Mack. She's finally off of work. So we came out to the pool, and we were gonna enjoy the sun until we realized low-key cold out, but it's not that bad. Yeah, we're just enjoying the sun and relaxing after. It's just weird for me to call it work because I am actually working. It's just I'm at a coffee shop. Like, I just make my own office. Anything to say about your day, Katie Mack?
It was long. And I can't decide whether we should cook dinner with the boys tonight or make them go out to eat with us. Part of me just wants to get Thai food to go.
Honestly, I'm down. I haven't had Thai food in forever. I feel like we eat Thai food so much at school and then I'm Thai fooded out. I crave it again.
We're going to downtown Campbell. There's a really cute little candy store and just cute shops, and we just wanted to get out of the house.
So we're gonna go explore and then we're gonna get takeout. So
yeah.
That's the
Jake
plan.
Say he's gonna pick it up.
Yeah. Look who I ran into.
My branded intern.
Doesn't she look so official?
I know.
I'm so proud. All right, we got acai bowls at Whole Foods. We're really balling out today. Guys, I just got done at the office. That's fun to say. The boys were generous enough to allow me to crash at their space so I could edit a video for a couple hours. Anyway, it was really fun to be there and to actually like go into work somewhere. So yeah, now Katie's home from work and we're gonna go to Santa Cruz because we didn't get a chance to go to the boardwalk and I wanna go check it out. We're gonna go to Santa Cruz, we'll bring you along, show you around, and let it go.
I want to take mine.
Okay.
I'm comfortable driving mine, and that road's kind of sketch.
Right, it's a little windy.
It's a little scary. Why are you the most awkward?
Wait, did I actually say yay?
Yeah, you spilled it, and then she was like, don't worry, I got it, and you go, yay. And I was like, I almost said something, but then I thought that might make it weirder. I was like, you literally just said yay.
So we went to Phil's again, and I got the mint mojito thing because I'm obsessed with it, and Katie got it and really likes it.
Yeah, it's really good.
My only complaint about that place is that I've had 2 really awkward
The ordering
experiences.
experience is just bizarre.
It's just really not something we're quite used to. You have to wait there, and then
you don't pay for it
you don't
right
pay.
away.
I don't know, it's just complicated. The product is amazing, so just need to get used to the environment a little bit. Got here and it's beautiful. Okay, do we go to the beach? Oh my god, this is so much better than I thought. Katie didn't really explain this.
I didn't explain the boardwalk very well. She thought it was literally just like a pier.
Yeah.
And then we got here, she's like, oh my god, there's a roller coaster.
There's boats and everything. This is so cute. Oh, we also forgot to mention that we just bought matching sweatshirts that say Santa Cruz.
I'm embarrassed, so it's 10 of
Yeah, well, it's not quite cold enough for this yet. Also, I just have a cut on the bottom of my foot and I'm really concerned that I'm gonna get necrotizing fasciitis. They said stay away from salt water and sandy beaches and stuff, which is what I'm on. That's good.
Are you gonna put the sweatshirt on or can I?
You can put it on.
No worries. Please get back early.
Guys, look what I just bought. Frisbee. Katie and I are like, what do we do? Do we want to go on a ride? And then we're like, no, we want to play Frisbee. Try me, I have a record of catching this on camera. I know. Oh, I almost got it. I'm gonna left-hand it. Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't vlog and do this. We're gonna play Frisbee for a little bit.
Kiara leaves tomorrow.
So, I was just thinking about this and it was making me sad.
I'm
like I wanted
so
to tear up.
sad.
I don't want to talk about it.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Look at how cute our little evening is.
So pretty out.
Wow, that's really overexposed. Look at these waves. And it's just like cotton candy skies.
It's like picture
and it's
perfect.
so pretty. Look at it. A little sunset. I look like a teenage boy right now.
Oh, there's like a blur on my camera. It's like dirty.
I think that's the screen.
No, right there. See?
Oh, the screen
see
has
the
something
lens?
on it too.
Guys, this has been the best. How many days have we been here? Like 5. It's been the best 5 days ever. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. This is the end of my travels in San Jose.
I look like a gnome.
I'm gonna keep vlogging at VidCon and I'm about to go to LA. So this trip isn't over. It just is over with little Miss Gnome over here. I just want to shout out for her helping me with my Instagram game. Go follow both of us on Instagram. I post daily on there and a lot of the photos Katie takes. I love you! And what should the question of the day be? What's your favorite beach you've ever been to?
Or your favorite like a single summer memory that just will like always stand out to you.
One capture.
Specific,
Right.
yeah, moment.
Of a night.
Summer moment.
Right. This is pretty
This is a good one.
pretty good moment. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye vlog.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night Hey.